Hello students, in this video we will learn a poem A Mother's Love by Michael O. Desania, related with the unit's theme Appreciating Mothers. This poem tells us about the importance and value of a mother's love, which has the power to comfort and heal even those wounds which are not visible to the naked eye. Students, you all are aware of your mother's love for you, but through this poem, you will get more conscious about the mother's love and its role in your life. Let's start the poem. There are times when only a mother's love can understand our tears, can soothe our disappointments, and calm all of our fears. Soothe means makes us calm. Okay, makes us calm down. So here in this stanza, the poet wants to say that in everyone's life there are times when only the mother's love understands the tears in eyes without saying anything, and they can provide the comfort in our disappointments and help us to relax and overcome our fear. So we can say it is the mother's love or mother's heart that understands our fears when we are disappointed. Let's continue with the next stanza. There are times when only a mother's love can share the joy we feel when something we have dreamed about quite suddenly is real. So in the second stanza, the poet tells that a mother can share our feelings of happiness and excitement when something we dreamed of and it comes true. Students, you all dreams lots of things every day, na? So when some dreams your come true, so it is the mother who is going to share your happiness and joy. You all feels na that I should share this to my mother. So it is the mother's love that share our joys and achievements when we are going to have some of our dreams comes really true. Next stanza. There are times when only a mother's faith means belief, can help us on life's way and inspire in us the confidence we need from day to day. So in this stanza, the poet wants to say that it is the mother's belief in us that help us throughout challenges and hurdles in our life's difficult journey. Okay. It is the mother's faith on us that help us to have confidence in our abilities. It is the mother's belief on us that inspire us, that gives us confidence to deal with the day-to-day problems of our life. Next, for a mother's heart and a mother's faith and a mother's steadfast love. Steadfast means constant, continuous love, were fashioned by the angels and sent from God above. So lastly, children, the poet want to say that the kind of heart a mother have, the kind of faith she does on us, and the constant love that she gives us is especially created or designed by the angels of on the instruction of God. Okay, so the poet actually want to say that no other love is better than mother's love. So appreciate your mother's love and hard work and every person's love, support and hard work who guide you in your life throughout your life's difficult journey. Thank you.